Hello, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, you will learn about the different input and output devices of computer. Let us begin with the definition of computer system. Computer is an electronic machine that accepts data from the user, processes the data by performing calculations and operation on it, and generates the desired result. The another one definition of computer system is a data processing machine, and it needs user instruction to perform any type of job. After processing the raw fact, it produces useful information for the user. But how do you give data and instruction to the computer system, and how it can return the useful information to you? So to do all these, different types of input and output devices can be connected with the computer system. Now, this diagram shows the different types of input and output devices connected with the computer system. These are all called as parts of computer system. Let us discuss one by one. We are going to start by input devices of computer system. The devices which are used to give data and instruction to the computer are called input devices. Various types of input devices can be used with the computer depending upon the type of data you want to enter to the computer. For example, keyboards, mouse, joystick, light pens. These are some input devices connected with the computer system. Let us discuss one by one. The keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It is used to enter data and instructions directly into the computer. There are 104 buttons on the keyboards which are called keys. Mouse. Mouse is another input device which is commonly found connected with the computer. It is basically a pointing device which works on the principle of point and click. The mouse is used in Windows-based program, where the user can run the commands by pointing the object with the help of pointer and clicking the buttons on the mouse. Most of the latest mouses these days include a wheel in the middle of two buttons that helps us to scroll through documents more easily. Cordless mouse is also very popular. It does not have wires. It either uses Bluetooth technology to send data through the air to a receiver using plugged in USB port of the computer. The another input devices are joystick and gamepad. Joystick and gamepad are also input devices which are used to control the movement of object on the screen. Just like mouse, these are also pointing device. Mostly they are used for playing game on computer system. The joystick have a vertical stick with a trackball at the bottom. A gamepad is a type of game controller held in two hands where the fingers, especially thumbs, are used to provide input by pressing buttons on it. It is also known as a control pad. The next device is light pen. Light pen is another pointing type of input device. It is a pen-shaped device which can be used by directly pointing the objects on the screen. It can also be used for making drawing directly on monitor screen. The next input device is scanner. We can store pictures, photographs, diagram into the computer system with the help of scanner. The scanner reads the image and save it in the computer as a file. Now let us define different types of output device. What is output device? The devices which are used to display the results or information are called output device. We can view the output on the monitor, or you can print it on paper using a printer. Monitor and printers are most commonly used output devices. Let us discuss one by one. The first type of output device is monitor. This is the most common output device connected with the computer to display the processed information. It looks like a TV and also called as VDU, Visual Display Unit. Pictures are displayed by using a large number of very small dots on the screen called as pixel. The two commonly used monitor types are cathode ray tube and liquid crystal display. The output produced on screen is called as soft copy output because it cannot be retained for a long time. Nowadays, LCD monitors are more popular as their sharp picture quality. They are light-weighted and flat screen monitor. Printer. Printer is another important output device of computer system. It gives the printed output of the result that appears on the monitor screen. Printed output is also called as a hard copy output because unlike monitor, this output can be preserved even if the computer is switched off. Printers are of different type. On the basis of their printing techniques, printers are grouped as character printer, line printer and page printer. Dot matrix printer is an example of character printer. Now another one output device is plotter. We can get the print of photograph, drawing, image stored in computer by using a plotter. It is an output device which provides a high quality of printed output. It is generally used by engineers and architects. Speakers are categorized as output devices. These are used to listen to the music and sounds played by the computer. Normally, they comes in pair and have different shapes and sizes. This is all about the different external devices like input and output device connected to the computer system. Thanks for watching.